Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a specific product that I've been using for the past couple months now. And it's a new Kickstarter project that kicked off, I believe it was the end of last year or somewhere around last year when they started. And they've been getting a lot of hype and encouragement, and I really, after using it for a while now, I am fully convinced that this is one of my favorite productivity kits and tools that I use out of my toolbox. So yeah, so without waiting any further, let's get into today's topic. So the product that I want to review and kind of give you guys a rundown of all the benefits that I've gotten out from it is Analog. And Analog is basically a task management tool that is very easy and simple to use simply because it's manual. It's not digital, it's all pen and paper style. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see this from afar, but this is one of the pieces of paper that it comes in, and in each piece of paper there is a line along, or there's a circle with a line going through it, and a long line that you can write down tasks on. And what I use this for is every time I have my evening routine. If you guys know, one of the strategies that I put into my guidebook that I use very frequently is the evening routine, where I write down my top 3 tasks or top 3 things that I want to get done the next day in order of importance. And I do that before I go to bed, so I can kind of meditate on that as I go to sleep, and as I wake up, I know exactly what I need to be doing. Secondly, like I said, it is manual, it isn't digital, so it's very easy to use. You just need a pen and this piece of paper where you can write down up to, I believe it's 5 different things. And you know, as you write down the top 3 things and you go throughout the day, you can just keep writing more that you feel like you need to remember and not let yourself forget about. It comes in a package of, I believe, like 30 of these. I believe 30 of these in one pack, and that's meant to signify each day of the month. And so for every day of the month, you get 1 piece of paper. And what's good about that is that you can stay focused on today, not yesterday or not tomorrow. That way you'll stay focused and have your complete attention to now and what you need to be doing now. Going over to this side, intuitive symbols that you can use. So one of the greatest things that I love about these cards is, as you're completing these tasks or you're going throughout your day, you can give each task a symbol. So for example, at the end of the day, if you haven't completed it and you want to move it over to the next day or the next card, you can simply draw a line across the circle, which will symbolize not having yet finished, but wanting to be finished, right, for the next day. And that's really good because you get to see sort of how you spent your day and how productive you were throughout the day in completing these tasks. Solid construction. So one of the things that I actually bought with is this wooden sort of case that you can basically put your tasks to stand up like this, right next to your computer, ideally, right? So you don't feel distracted. You're not distracted. And I would just have to say that the construction on these cards in general are just so good. It just feels really solid to hold and to write on. So I'm gonna have to give you guys 100% thumbs up on that for you guys who created this. Next one is stationary. It's both stationary and portable. What I mean by that is you can keep one of these cards on your table as you're working, or if you have to go somewhere and you don't want to forget what you wrote, you can actually take one of these cards and you're putting your back pocket, you can put it in your backpack, and it'll be with you while you travel or go somewhere else. So it's really good for both purposes. And if you're someone who has a inconsistent schedule, kind of you gotta go somewhere this day or stay home another day, you just don't have like a consistent thing going on, don't worry, this will take care of that. This will give you something to really kind of focus back on when you're in a uncontrolled environment like a cafe, which I'm really grateful for you for when I go to these places. So yeah, all in all, this analog card, it has been really helpful in helping me to not get distracted and to focus on what I set myself to do for that day and what I believe to be the top, most important tasks and the way that I've set up. So I'm gonna leave a link down below to their Kickstarter page so you can check that out. They're amazing, and I highly recommend this to anyone, especially coaches who, you guys have a very busy day, talking with clients and talking with people and just having to sort of mentally organize things. This is a very great way to do that. So hope you guys liked it, and I'll leave the link down below. If you want to see more of these sort of gear/product reviews that will help you to really get your focus back and your calm and just stay focused on the tasks that are most important to you and your goals, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this, and also make sure to check out the ebook that I left down below. It is a list of 25 different strategies that I've used during this work from home time that has really helped me to get my focus back on track and really find my work more, just fall in love with the work and just the idea of getting to work. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.